Alright, this is how I'm getting my dog ready for the real world. Their brand new leash. Yep, I kind of have an obstacle course, and I'll show you. Hop, hop, hop. Good. All the way. This demonstrates getting on something that I ask. Let's go. Coming when I call her. Up, hop. Come on, hop. Needs more practice. Again, the same thing. Stepping on a stool that may move. Oh, leave it. Her prized possession, which is a good leave it. Hop, hop, hop. Good. Come on. This is a bit of confidence building. There, hop. Come on. Step. 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 All right, we'll come back to that. Let's go. Also, just another easy distraction. Hop. All right, come on. Moving surface. Hop. Hop. Good. That's good, girl. Okay. Hop. Good girl. Off. Good. Place. There, place. Sit. Good. That's a very good girl. That's a very good girl. I'm working on getting her praise motivated rather than food. And it's working so well. Yes, you're a good girl. Okay, you. And he doesn't ask for. He doesn't get a distraction. Hop. Good. Okay. Up. 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 Come on. Up. Good. I know you're getting tired. It's another reason why we're doing this. Okay. Up. There. Good girl. Okay. Place. Leave it. Place. Sit. Good girl. Leave it. That's a good girl. Yeah, this is how I am working on her body awareness and such. That's our little update with my baby girl. Yeah, I think you're gonna turn out to be leave it, a great service dog. You guys tell me what you think of our little course. And of course I had to get the leash. She has a matching collar coming, and that'll be her working collar and working leash. But I think she's doing really well. Comment what you think about her progress.